In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Botpress to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Botpress linked inside your ChatGPT experience so you can access it right where you work. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. On desktop, it's the small avatar you use for your account. On mobile, you may need to open the main menu first. This opens your account panel where you can adjust preferences and manage connections. Next, click Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This is the hub where you browse, connect, and manage the tools that integrate with ChatGPT. It's designed to keep everything in one place so you don't have to jump between different dashboards. From the Apps section, choose Explore Apps. Depending on your interface, this might also appear as Add More. Both options lead to the same app directory. Once you're there, you'll see a search field at the top. Click into the search field and type Botpress. Spelling matters here, so take a second to double check you've entered it correctly. You should now see the Botpress app in the results. Click it to open the app's page. On that page, click Connect. This action initiates the link between ChatGPT and Botpress. If there are any on-screen prompts, follow them carefully. These prompts may include reviewing what permissions the app needs, selecting an account or workspace, or confirming that you're okay with the connection. Simply proceed step by step, reading each screen so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. If a permission summary is shown, it's a good idea to pause, scan the details, and then continue. After you've completed any prompts, the connection process will finish, and you should see a clear confirmation that Botpress is connected. In many cases, the button will change to indicate it's connected, or you'll see a small status label confirming the link. That's it, your setup is complete. If you ever encounter a situation where the Botpress app doesn't appear in search, make sure the term is spelled correctly and try again. Availability can vary by interface version and region, so if it's not visible right away, it may become available later. Also, if you're presented with any optional settings during the connection flow, you can leave them at their defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them. You've now connected Botpress to ChatGPT using the built-in apps flow, Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore, or Add More, search, connect, and then follow any prompts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined setup.